Buying into an auto or equipment dealership is a major capital commitment, and the owner's personal financial and legal history matters just as much as the dealership's books. Undisclosed floor plan judgments, lien disputes, or a litigation pattern with prior partners can signal risks the balance sheet does not capture. Our investigation team performs principal-level public records due diligence on dealership owners, covering judgment and lien histories, civil litigation records, UCC filings, and any undisclosed encumbrances tied to the individual behind the entity. Whether you are buying in as a minority partner, acquiring the dealership outright, or financing the deal, a documented research report on the principal gives your attorney and your lender the full picture before the transaction closes. Our investigators return results in 24 hours or less at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. Know your dealership partner before you sign. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to order your dealership owner due diligence search today. And subscribe to this channel for more on protecting high-value business investments.